Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing well. And this is my third video, and a very many thanks and a big thanks to all the subscribers, and my sincere thanks to who personally wished and called me that for suggesting me to do more. Really, your encouragement is a big support for me, and please share this to as many as you can. Now, in this third video, we are going to speak about self analysis. As a recap, I would like to tell you in our last video, we have been thinking about self thinking high is superiority, self thinking low is inferior, and self thinking neutral is realistic, and self thinking realized is wisdom. So, this what I am just taking you to the last video, and I am connecting you what we are going to see in this video. Okay, so know yourself. Why self is important? Because as I told you, self is the main thing that brings does many changes. So mastering yourself is very much required. Okay, so how far this self analysis and this topic matches, guys? When you approach positively like this, master yourself like this, you can get through in life very well. Your talent can come very well. So, who are you? Understand yourself extensively and then bring you out. These are the what I can say, very important thing you have to analyze. So, here we have to speak how to analyze any formula or any workout. Just spend some few minutes alone every day. Okay, speak to yourself. Normally we postpone things like if there is a lab examination, only 2 days before we will take the record and write, and if there is a exam, only a week before we will take and read the syllabus. Some they are one day batting, you know and the two important questions we will complete only an hour before the examination. So this is how, always in a rushy way, and today's world is also like this, we will be doing normally. So what I would like to say is, enquire yourself. Just take a paper and write what interests me, what I love to do, or if I love eating, shall I become a chef? Like this and all you write. What, madam, you are telling us to take a paper and write? Normally we will postpone things. How will take a paper? No patience for us. If possible, for your sake, we will take the mobile notes, and in the mobile itself we will write. We don't have enough time or patience to do that. That is procrastination we will be doing. Okay, so I am accepting these are the practical difficulties, but definitely you have to sit yourself at least half an hour a day. You have to speak yourself to bring out your talent. So compartmentalize your thoughts. What are the thoughts? For example, don't what we need exactly, and whether compartmentalizing your thoughts, in the sense I am telling, so many disturbances have been created in your mind. Your friend hurts you, or someone criticize you, or you are going out, something makes you very happy. So these are all. So first, compartmentalize yourself. When you are sitting alone, do what you want to do exactly. Okay, as now let us come to this. So if I love eating, shall I become a chef? Because for chef, I don't want to do mathematics, biology, or something, any tough subjects I don't want to read. Just my pleasure is cooking, and I can become a chef. Think. Is it okay? Is it okay for your family? Think about your parents. Here, I am telling you to be neutralized. Being neutralized is not being emotive, happy, or sad. Just think neutralized. What, in where I have to do my job, where I am interested, and what I have to do. So this is the kind of thinking. See, when you become neutralized, your body becomes not heat or not cool. It was just, so many thoughts emerges from this neutralized mind only. So I'm telling. And then I would like to impose, I would not impose, I'm sorry. I would like to signify that you just think on your parents' wish. Parents' wish is very important. So why I am telling you have to value your parents' wish, because uh, when you take the four generations before, the great great grandparents, great grandparents, grandparents, and our parents, we are all the replica of these three or four generations only. Definitely any one of the generations replica is we today. Their wish is ours. So I am telling you, so many of your wish is ingrained from your family only. So only I am telling you to value your parents' wish. And balancing our goal, how to balance our goal and our parents' wish, that is very important. So here when you see this picture, the kid sparrow is trying to catch the dew from from the leaf, and the parent sparrow is looking after the kid sparrow how it is trying. Guys, definitely your parents are your real life motivators, and they are your real thing that what you want to become. So, what's wrong in it? Fulfilling their right wish is nothing wrong. But at the same time, whether they are comparing, whether they are telling, like, my son, my friend's daughter or son is a doctor, collector, and he is doing commerce, he is a CA student, and you have to do, if they are imposing or comparing you, just ignore. Why I am telling that's what neutralizing. Okay, whether my parent is imposing me, my parent is my parent wish me to do like this, so just concentrate on it. Normally, balancing your parents and your wish is very important, because always you will love what you do. Okay, if you want to become a fashion designer, if you want to become a software engineer, and or anything, you will love what you do because that is your wish. At the same time, care your family, because that is important. So if your income definitely supports, if it is needed for your family, what's wrong in it? Work it on it. Your passion is different thing. After getting settled, you can fulfill your passion, if that is less important than your parents. So whatever you do, you love it, and then involve in it. For example, if you are eating a sweet, if you are eating a lace, kurkure, whatever it may be, involve, immerse. I am telling in your job also, immerse in it, and immix, dissolve. Immix is nothing but dissolving in it. So three I's you keep it in mind: involve, immerse, and immix. So I just told you to seek in yourself, search yourself, because you are the own potential of you. You alone can polish your own strength. Here, now let us come to the point. So my wish is I have to become, a clerk or a bank employee or something like that. But my father is to, my father asked me to become an engineer or doctor. Okay, now in this picture you can see Homi Jehangir Baba. Please don't mistake that it is Shirdi Sai Baba and all. So he is a scientist, Homi Jehangir Baba, who is the director of a Tata Steel plant and is a famous mathematician, physician and all. Apart from that, he is famous for the atomic research plant in Mumbai. He set up this atomic research plant, Kalpakam research plant. Without him, atomic research is impossible in India today. Behind that, as I have told you, he is a great physician, mathematician and all. Okay, so even Homi Baba also got a argument with his parent. His father's wish is to see him as an engineer and to settle him as a director in the Tata Steel Company. And Baba's wish is to read physics, do experiments in physics, to research in physics. In those days, in the year 1960 itself, he got a PhD degree from the Cambridge University. In those days, it is impossible to get a PhD degree because a lot of struggles. Okay, lot of struggles are there. Beside this, he had studied engineering. Now, what his fathers wished, Baba, if you fulfill my wish, I will talk to you, like that. His father challenged him. So, what is the challenge? His father's challenge is, you have to get a first class first class in mechanical engineering. In those days, again, I am telling, it is a tough to clear all engineering because for one semester 16 subjects they have to read. Okay, that too, no notes or something like that, no internet and all. They have to seek their own notes, they have to read. So these are all the challenges. But still, Homi Baba accepted his father's challenge, got a first class in his mechanical engineering, and then with the certificate, with the victory, he met his father and humbly asked his permission to pursue his studies on physics and mathematics, because that is his passion. And now here is the analysis for us. Let us come to our point. Madam, you are telling Homi Baba is rich and his father is rich, and 4 years of engineering. After completing that, he went on his studies, and Baba's he his income is not that much important to his family, so Baba studied, like that. You might ask me. Yes, I think whatever you think is correct, guys. My point is, balancing your goal and balancing your parents' wish is becoming neutralized, that whether my goal is important, whether it gives sufficient income, whether I can settle this here in a good manner, whether my parent is supporting me or comparing me with anyone or obstructing me. That's what thinking neutralizing. Okay, so here I would like to tell that identify your talent, where you can shine, prove it, mix in it. That's what I'm telling. Know yourself, grow. So for growing, for example, if you cannot balance, if you really like commerce subject and your father or mother is asked you to read science, there is a clash. Okay, definitely. But if you are opposing, ignoring, if they are comparing, I myself telling that just ignore. Okay, so if you are ignoring, please keep it in mind. Your wish, you have to work hard. If you take commerce subject, you have to work hard on it to balance. You have to prove yourself. So stop now till your goal is reached. Okay, then only till you attain, you have to work hard. Then many people, apart from your family or anyone, those who opposed you, definitely come under your protection. So first seek yourself, come up with your talent, and definitely the universe will send the opportunities matching only for you. Whatever matches you only, it comes, guys. I'm pretty sure about it, I'm telling. Because don't waste time on thinking whether I have to become this or that and all. Start up. Work it on. Definitely the opportunities will match you. That's what I'm telling. So here, your ability, I'm bravely saying that working on it will definitely give you success. Work hard, aspire to work towards your goal. Your hard work should be in silence, guys. Your hard work should be in silence, and your success should roar. Your success should roar. So let us get the connectivity in the next video, because within a short time I would like to say some points here, and for a time management I am stopping my video here, and then in the next post you can see how this self-analysis with some illustration. Let us see this. If you like this video, please you can visit the blog also, and don't forget to subscribe, leave the comments. Thank you, guys.